We want to determine the effective yield for an account paying 4% interest compounded quarterly. So we know R is equal to 4% as a decimal. This would be 0.04. Interest is compounded quarterly. There's 4 quarters in a year, so n equals 4. This is all we need in order to determine the effective yield. R sub E is equal to the quantity 1 plus R divided by n is 0.04 divided by 4 raised to the power of n, so it's raised to the 4th power minus 1. And now we go to the calculator. So we have open parenthesis 1 plus 0.04 divided by 4, close parenthesis, raised to the power of 4, right arrow, minus 1, enter. As a decimal, we have approximately 0.0406. We do want to convert this to a percentage by multiplying by 100 and adding a percent sign, times 100. Notice how I typed in 1,000, so left arrow delete. Now we have 100, enter. So the effective yield is approximately 4.06%. To multiply by 100, we could just move the decimal point to the right 2 places. So this tells us a simple interest rate of 4.06% will yield the same return as an account paying 4% interest compounded quarterly after 1 year. Let's look at a second example. We want to determine the effective yield for an account paying 7% interest compounded monthly. So now R is equal to 7%, which equals 0.07. Interest is compounded monthly, so n equals 12, which means the effective yield, R sub E, is equal to the quantity 1 plus R divided by n would be 0.7 divided by 12, if we want 0.07, raised to the power of 12 minus 1. And now we'll go back to the calculator. Open parenthesis 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12, close parenthesis, raised to the power of 12, right arrow minus 1, enter. To 4 decimal places, we have approximately 0.0723. Converting to a percentage, this would be approximately 7.23%. So the effective yield is 7.23%, which means an account paying 7.23% simple interest will yield the same return as an account paying 7% interest compounded monthly after 1 year. I hope you found this helpful.